Hi, it's Grammie Moe. Time to become a reading pro with letter sounds. Let's take a look at the different sounds that the letters or make in different words. First, OR with the letter E at the end sounds like or. Other words for this column could be tore, more, sore, core, etc. Next, you can hear the word or sound in the word for, but it is spelled F-O-U-R. You can remind your child that O-U-R can sound like our also. Some examples of O-U-R words sounding like or are for, pour, tore, and so on. Then the O-O-R letters also sound like or. Samples of these words are door, floor, more, etc. Finally, OAR also can make the or sound like in bore, sore, and so on. So an activity you can try with your child is to make a chart like this for each spelling. Then you list words on post-it notes and your child can practice putting the correct word under each category. Also, don't forget to point out new words you see when you read together. Stay tuned for more vowel patterns and letter sounds.